If your home Wi-Fi is running slower than usual or you suspect unauthorized users are connecting to your TP-Link router, this guide shows you exactly how to identify and block them permanently. TP-Link routers include a powerful built-in MAC address filtering system that lets you control exactly which devices can and cannot connect to your Wi-Fi network. The MAC address filtering works by either blocking specific devices you identify or allowing only approved devices onto your network entirely. Before starting, you need three things: your TP-Link router's IP address, your admin username, and your admin password. Find all three on the label printed on the bottom of your TP-Link router. The default IP is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. The default admin username and password are both typically admin. If these have been changed, use your custom credentials instead. Open any web browser on a device connected to your TP-Link network and type the router IP address into the address bar. The TP-Link router admin login page will load. Enter your admin username and password and click Login to access the dashboard. The TP-Link admin dashboard gives you complete control over every aspect of your router settings and connected devices. Navigate to the wireless option in the left side menu and look for wireless statistics in the expanded submenu. The wireless statistics page shows every device currently connected to your Wi-Fi, including any unauthorized users you did not invite. Review the device list carefully. Look for any unfamiliar device names or MAC addresses that you do not recognize as your own devices. Every device has a unique MAC address, a 12-character code that permanently identifies that specific device on any network. Note down the MAC address of any device you want to block. You will need this exact address for the filtering rule. Navigate to Wireless MAC Filtering in the left side menu. This is where you create and manage your device blocking rules. Click the Enable button on the Wireless MAC Filtering page to activate the filtering system on your router. You will see two filtering mode options. Choose Deny Stations specified by any enabled entries to block specific devices while allowing all others. This deny mode is the most practical option for most users. It lets you block specific unwanted devices without affecting your approved devices. Click the Add New button to create your first blocking rule. A new entry form will appear on the page. Carefully type the MAC address of the device you want to block into the MAC address field. Accuracy is critical here. Add a helpful description in the description field, such as blocked unknown device. This makes your rules easy to manage later. Set the status drop-down to enabled and click Save. The blocked device rule is now active on your router immediately. The blocked device will be disconnected from your Wi-Fi network within seconds of the rule being saved. To block additional devices, simply click Add New again and repeat the process for each MAC address you want to block. To unblock a device, navigate back to Wireless MAC Filtering and find the entry for the device you want to restore. Click the Edit option beside the entry and change the status from enabled to disabled. Then save the change. Disabling the rule restores Wi-Fi access to that device without permanently deleting the filtering rule from your list. Alternatively, click Delete beside the entry to permanently remove the blocking rule and fully restore the device's access. After blocking unwanted users, change your Wi-Fi password immediately. This prevents the blocked devices from reconnecting using saved credentials. With MAC filtering enabled and your Wi-Fi password updated, your TP-Link router is now fully secured and your network speed and privacy are completely restored.